Hi everyone, we're at Volcano Bay today. It is very busy already. We tried to be here right at 10 o'clock, which is when it opens today. There was a forever long line just to park, and then a forever long line to go through security and get on the buses. But we are finally here today. And just so you know, it is now 10:45. So 45 minutes to go through parking, to go through security, and to get on the buses. We're finally here, walking up the path. Haven't even tapued, got our tapus yet. Ooh, it's a busy day at Volcano Bay for spring break 2022.
It's a beautiful day at Volcano Bay, even though it is extremely crowded. It is now past 11 o'clock, and we just put our stuff down and changed, and we are ready to go now. Let's go see how long the wait times are for all the slides. Wait pool doesn't look too awfully bad right now, but let's go take a walk around and see what we can get ourselves into today. Walking over the lazy river right now. Just a relaxing, not even super crowded. Looks great. Alright, go ahead and tap you in, sis. And she made the little water feature go. They have some of these all around the park. Oh yeah, it says these guys will squirt at people.
Yeah,
But this isn't the one with the people. But she's right. This is the one that says it squirts it out of the mouth, and there is no people that have that right here. There's a different area of the lazy river that does that. This one just squirts out of the middle. 195-minute wait. Let's do it. If you do this tapu tapu, yeah, it'll squirt people in the river, and then it'll squirt you. 200 minutes for Krakatau. Puka Reef is enjoy now. Toddler area. Winding River enjoy now. Anu is 70. Very busy. Oh yeah. We're gonna get on Tonga. The green slides are ride now. The other ones are a 10-minute wait. So we're gonna do the ride now. Let's do it. Alright, so behind me, these are the Puka racers, and they're really fun. But we went up there, and it is a 25-minute wait. So you tap in with a tapu tapu, wait 25 minutes, and then you can get in line. We're not going to do that because we have already tapued in for the aqua coaster, and if we tap in for another slide, we'll lose our aqua coaster. So we're going to hold off on that and just look for more slides that are ride now, or go ahead and hop in the lazy river and see how busy it is in there. Alright, so we're over here by Maku and Pili, and there are these funnel slides right here. So there's a yellow one and as well as a green one. And right now they are 50 and 55 minutes to wait as you tapu and then you can get in line. So we're gonna skip those as well. So I think we really are going to just head straight for the slow lazy river. Not the fast one, we're gonna go for the slow one first. Life jackets right there, getting in. The winding river. We are now in the lazy river. It was hard to get in. Lots of people just in the entrance. But now that we're in, it's not super crowded. It's a beautiful day. The sky is so blue. Just missed me. And there's a little hole that you can see through from Puka Reef.
here's the outside of the restaurant. Kohola Bay is in the background. So here is the restaurant part, the blue roof, and all the water in front. I just wanted to show you the outside of what it's going to look like if you walk by. Here's where you order your food and get your drink. Kohola Reef. Okay, so we got our food. We got our cheese pizza, and I got some island chicken salad with coconut dressing. And we got our forks, we got our ice waters. Now we're going to try to find a place to sit down. We are inside one of the seating areas for this restaurant. And just look at all the beautiful fish up above. Hello! And then there's Owen. So, we just got done finished eating.
I'm actually kind of chilly right now. But it's going to be in like the upper 80s, I believe, today. I think it's supposed to get up to 88 today. I think we're probably going to go head towards our favorite pool and go swim in there for a little bit, because it is very crowded, and we have 55 more minutes until our time to get in line for Krakatau. So we still have a long time to wait, but at least now we have our bellies full, and we're gonna go swim a little bit more. I want to get in the sun, get warmed up.
Alright, so I just wanted to showcase the little restaurant area for a little bit, at least the part where that we can eat. So there's this walkway, beautiful water feature, but along this way, all kinds of seating all through back there. And it's all shaded under cover of these roofs. It's just beautiful and serene. And then there's somebody's fork. Did you see it? There's a fork right there. Okay, somebody lost their fork. And then one random plant right there in the middle. But it's beautiful. Look at these little people. And over here is where you order your food. They have chicken, seafood, burgers, barbecue, longboard pizzas. They also have some grab-and-go items, which is what I got today. As far as the grab-and-go items, they had the chicken salad. It was okay. I just wanted something kind of light today, and it was alright. I didn't feel like it had a whole lot of dressing on it, and I could have done without the coconut. I really don't like coconut, but it was okay. The fruit with it was delicious. It had a pineapple that was really good, and it also had some cantaloupe that was really good with it as well. And the kids loved their pizza. It was really good, and we were able to use our annual pass discount with it as well. So now we're going to go back to our things, put some stuff down at our towels, and go get in a pool. There's the volcano. This is our view that we have. It's beautiful, no clouds. Where is Nadia? Oh, my tapu just vibrated. It is time to return. Let's go ride Krakatau. It is our time to get on Krakatau, so I'm gonna have to put the camera away for a little bit because you're not allowed to have GoPros on this ride. So I'll let you know how we like the ride, but I'm sure we're gonna like it as soon as we get off. We just got off of Krakatau. It was very fun. So the kids and I ride it. We got all kinds of airtime. We got water in our face. It was very fun. We love the last drop because it's like the steepest one.
And Owen always lets us know that it's coming. But we had to come back to our hotels, reapply some sunscreen because I do believe I'm getting burnt. So we put on some more sunscreen. All right, we are here in our favorite pool. This is the Reef Pool here at Volcano Bay. And it's very cold water. So you put your tapu there, and then you put your hands to cover all the holes, and then it bubbles up below. If you tapu in at the surfboard here, you can hear sounds under the water. So, tapu in. Is a dolphin? Yeah. That means the waves are gonna start. It's a beautiful day here. On this Thursday. Oh, there's somebody come. Whoa. Did you see that? Somebody just went through the tube right here. It's like a drop one. I've never done it because I'm too scared. Here we are. We're going over to, oh yeah, oh no. So there's the slides. But the kids wanted to just go into the little splash area, the play area over here down below. And then there's some cabanas, the pool that you fall into, and then over there, there's a little play splash pad area. So that's where we're headed. There's oh no and oh yeah. Super fun drop slides. I believe. So you fall into 10 feet of water, and one is 4 feet drop, and the other is a 6-foot drop, I believe. Rain and I have done these before. They're really fun. But we're going over here to this little way. All right. So this is 3 feet deep, and they have lots of things that they can do with their tapu-tapus in this pool. This is called the Puka Uli Pool.
It's not working.
It's not working. Oh.
Wait, let's try again.
We'll have to go up here and do these. So, now we're going to go inside the volcano because I believe all sections are open now. So here's 2 slides over on this side. Over this side, we have Cabana Bay, all of that. These sections are open now. They weren't open last time we came here. So, we get to see some of these beautiful waterfalls. Down below is the wave pool. Gotta go through this tunnel and get wet.
I'm gonna run.
Oh my goodness, you can hardly see. It's so loud. Look at all the water going down to the wave pool below. so much speed! There's more of the wonderful wave pool down below. Oh, it's cold inside. But I'm glad that section is open. Yay! And this is where you can tapu in here, and you can control these water sports up above. But that area is still not open. So it's called the Keith Pool, I believe. The Keith Pool, but you can't go in that section. There's one of the other entrances. It just goes out to the cabanas. Going up here. There's another tapu where you get to see that fish or whale. And then up here, at the top, you can talk to Val. This way goes to Krakatau out that way, and more cabanas. Boat. And over here, it looks like the lights are on, but Val is taking a break. Oh, I never noticed it's like a snake over here. Oh, it's like lava! Oh, good. How are you, Bob?
Nice to see you. Where you are from?
We're from Orlando.
Orlando, you went all the way here.
Yes.
Welcome, my friends from Orlando. It sounds like me. The floor is about to become
Lava.
lava.
It's a green one.
Have you heard the story of the fish?
They know?
Oh, this is a good story. I will get this. This is also about Volcano Bay and how the small volcano can be. There was a little goldfish named Krakatau where the spirits will be free. It sailed far and wide, traveling all the way to Tahiti, Hawaii, Bali, even Orlando. Letting each remarkable culture of their own. And give the waves to the sailors. Though it's truly fell in love with this island and enchanted waters, in each island was perpetual happiness. Here they created a tropical paradise where they could both relax and play. Now, my friends, it is your time to experience the wonder of the island, where the sky and the earth meet in perfect harmony. Ha 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 ha. The rest of your time stay here, because they finally do. What do you think?
That was awesome. Yay.
Yes.
And this is where you can tapu and all of the air comes blowing out of these mouths here on the wall. Nadia loves to push this way. Go, go, go. Holding a penny. Nadia found a penny on the floor. But down below is the Fearless Swimmer. We haven't gotten in that one today. We did do the Winding River though, but this is the Fearless one. And then this is Krakatau. We did do that. So much fun. It's like a must-do for us every single time that we come. So fun. They're really moving down there today. Past couple times we've been here, we felt like we were going super slow, but it looks like they're moving and grooving tonight. Get some monkeys over here.
I'm returning Nadia's life jacket over here, and you can see that these are empty. So if you need a life jacket, get it first thing, because there might not be any left. But we're on our way out today. We had a really great time over here at Volcano Bay. Thank you so much for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more upcoming videos. And now, it's your family time. Bye! Goodbye, Volcano Bay. It's been fun!